Hi, Jonathan here. With the stay-at-home orders, many of us are spending more time in our kitchen baking. Even me. Some of you who just started baking at home are wondering how to prevent that granular sugar texture from happening to their masterpiece desserts. Well, here's a simple tip. It takes about 5 minutes, but it's well worth the extra time. You blend your BochaSweet granular sweetener into a powder. About 20 seconds on medium speed, and presto, powdered BochaSweet. In addition, you can also make a simple syrup. All you have to do is mix in a saucepan 2 parts powdered BochaSweet with 1 part water and heat on medium-high heat, stirring until clear. Continue stirring on medium-high heat until sugar dissolves completely and the syrup is clear. Now you have a syrup that can be added into any keto-friendly recipe requiring a simple syrup. This simple syrup is perfect for cocktails, beverages, dessert syrup, cakes, cookies, and much more. Even add on top of pancakes or waffles. And if you want to skip the whole blending process along with the wear and tear on your blender, well, now you can, because we have powdered BochaSweet ready to go. The taste and texture of our powdered BochaSweet is just like real powdered sugar. It dissolves easily when mixing into liquids and replaces powdered cane sugar 1-to-1 in recipes. So head over to BochaSweet.com and check it out. Make your keto baking a pretty sweet one today.